back, everybody. So we got some fun shenanigans today. This is a buddy of mine's four-wheeler. His name's Monte. Monte, when you see this, I hope you dig it. We had a couple issues. It kept wanting to die out randomly, and then all of a sudden had no voltage nowhere, no key, no nothing. So we cleaned up some grounds. We put in a new starter solenoid, and then we had to replace the switch as well. So now we're going to give it a another little test ride before I take it back to him and see how it does. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to switch over to the chesty so you get some good onboard footage and some good audio, and we'll go run this thing up and down the driveway, see how it does. See you then. Okay, guys, here we are. Let's jump on this thing, see how it works. Disclaimer, yes, I've already ridden it off camera, so, you know. Okay, key on. Everything's working. Boom, we got power. We are neutral. The switch is working now, it looks like. Yep, that cuts it. Now it's back on. Okay. Let's, boom, purrs like an old kitten. Okay, let's, I think we're gonna start in 2-4, just try that, make sure everything's working right? So brakes on, up into high. All right, let's go down the driveway real quick. Two-wheel drive seems to be working fine. She's spinning right out. Yep. All right. Give ourselves a little turnaround real quick, huh? Okay, now let's stop and let's go for all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, I felt the kick in. It's a little lazy, but this is an old machine. Yep, all-wheel drive's working. Let's try this out. This is the best thing about winter, everybody, in Michigan. Get back out here, reset. There we go. Woo! 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 Well, Monte, I would have to say it's working pretty good. Should we try right-hand side donuts? No, we're gonna get too close to the tree. Hang on. It just wants to send me downhill. There we go. There we go. Okay, everybody, it worked. See ya.